Hey, sweet baby.
I sent you a picture just now.
I know, I was trying to download it.
It's sent twice. It may be sending more times. I don't know. It said that it couldn't send.
Sometimes I get your pictures like 6 times.
6 times, I know. What's going on here? Oh,
Hi.
I tell you, she loves the sound of birds chirping.
Oh. What is that?
It's my birdie. I'm gonna spit up.
Oh, it makes me so happy. I'll just.
Yeah, we went and bought her like 4.
She's
different
my
kinds
little
of
bird
birds,
watcher.
and she really likes the sound of birds. It's my bird.
Oh, we could do that plenty with the iPhone.
Pretty baby.
Did you want a piece of cake? It tastes so awesome.
Does it?
You want to know what it tastes
Say
like?
hi.
I was gonna go back to my healthy eating today.
Hi,
but
Chloe.
I have to have a piece of cake.
Did you have fun at the party last night?
Do you want? Hey, do you want
Yes.
a piece of cake? Yeah.
Of course I do.
Even though it's the morning and